places in the world. At the edge of the lake lies the White Horse Inn, made famous in the operetta of the same name. The hotel's heating system had grown bit by bit over the years. The various metal alloys had a detrimental effect on the water in the closed system. But after years of research, a surprising solution was found.
We
devoted intense study to this new technology and were initially quite skeptical. So we asked people who were already using Grander water, and we got two interesting kinds of information. One kind was technical. The technical information convinced us that using Grander water for our heating water would have a huge effect with regard to calcification of the pipes and the boilers. And we saw this huge effect when we started using it at the hotel. The second information was, if you will, metaphysical or philosophical. And I think it would be quite arrogant to say that we already know everything that can be known. Water is such a fascinating element that apparently has qualities that modern-day science cannot quantify. So today we're using Grander water throughout the hotel. We use it for the indoor swimming pool, for drinking water, and for cooking. And we have had positive experiences. The quality of our heating water has improved, and there is a lot less calcification. That makes us satisfied Grander customers, and we think the investment was well worth it.
Hotel owners today have to be very careful with their money, and investments have to be justified. So the question is, when will the White Horse Inn recover the cost of the two inconspicuous devices they installed in their heating system?
Certainly in less than 5 years. We have a mixed heating system with various parts that were installed over the decades, and we really had to use a lot of chemicals to prevent pump corrosion. It makes sense to use less chemicals, which are very expensive and not good for the environment.
The use of water revitalization in the hotel swimming pool is also seen as a blessing. Regular guests who've been coming for years notice that the water is now softer and more pleasant. Burning eyes and irritated skin are a thing of the past. Swimmers remain in the water considerably longer than they used to. The hotel's spa manager, Nina Unterberger, is enthusiastic about it.
We use it heavily in our wellness facility, in the oasis of the senses, in the indoor swimming pool. We also have it in the drinking fountain, and we have a vitamin bar that offers various kinds of tea and, in particular, Grander water. And it is very popular. Of course it's difficult. There are many things in nature that can't be directly demonstrated and that we can't yet prove with our scientific methods. But at the end of the day, you still have to accept that they exist. And that's exactly the way it is with Grander water. It makes people feel good, it's healthy, and it's natural. You don't always have to scientifically prove something for it to have a positive effect.
The so-called water revitalization invented by Johann Grander from the Austrian Tyrol has been around for 15 years. Grander technology works with revitalized water that apparently can impart its quality to other water, and innkeeper Helmut Peter has made another discovery as well.
Breweries are incredibly sensitive about their water because the best beer is made with nothing but hops, malt, and water. And these breweries have told us that Grander water improves their product and puts less stress on their equipment. And so we said, if they're doing it, then White Horse Inn can do it too.